In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen share PlayStation 5 on Discord. Now, you just have to search Remote Play. Once you have searched that, you can click this PS Remote Play and you must download this and you must agree and just start download. Now, once you are in here, just open and yes, install. You must install. Now, just finish and launch PS Remote Play. Now, once you are in the PS Remote Play, you are here to sign in your PlayStation. And as you can see, you just have to log in here, your PlayStation, and you must sign in. So in order for that, you just have to fill up and next, and it will go automatically and remote your play. Once the display screen is in here, now once you are in here, just example, you are in this server. Now, you just have to share your screen. Now, once you're in here, just capture the devices or just go to screen or application. Once you are in this application, just click remote play and go live. And another one is just to go screen and just click this display screen and just go live. As you can see, just screen one and just go live. And it depends on you. The screen quality, it depends all on you. And the capture devices, this is just for the camera. And that's it.